Venga.
What do you think about the weather in Barcelona?
The weather today is very good.
Okay. Va.
And what do you think about the food?
We don't know. We don't test it.
Do you know
Yes.
jamón ibérico? No.
No.
Paella?
No?
You have to
You have to
taste
try
it.
it.
Yes.
Yes.
Where?
And
Everywhere it's
If you
very
go
known here.
to the beach, there are a lot of places that there is paella. It's a special rice with.
rice with
Huh?
Yes.
fish. And,
Okay.
and what do you think about the people in Barcelona?
Like you?
Yes, like us.
Yes.
Do you know somewhere here?
Somebody.
Somebody.
No.
No. Vale.
What do you think about the public transport?
Pratique.
Yes.
Yes.
And did you take the metro, the bus, or
No,
anything?
the train.
The train. Okay.
And the prices?
Is something like French.
Like
Okay. ¿Qué más? La security. Sí.
and
just have the
the
names.
security?
In the hotel or something like this.
Um,
Just don't know. Okay. It's
For the moment, it's okay. Don't
okay.
te pregunto, pollution.
Pollution.
The
Yes.
pollution?
Do you think Barcelona is a dirty?
No.
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 More than
And-
French? Than France? No?
Like
No.
French.
No, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
What do you think about the architecture and the art?
It's very beautiful.
Yeah. We are going
And-
to visit today.
Casa Batlló,
The
Pedrera.
first time. Yeah.
Okay.
Gaudí.
Okay.
But you
And,
like Gaudi.
and
¿Qué més? Les zones verdes.
And
Si han vist
green
algun
zones?
parc.
The
green zones.
oh.
Green,
Les
like
like parks and all of these.
No?
gardens or
Yeah. They miss a little, no?
yeah.
Sorry.
Sí, Vipilla.
Yeah, parks. Vale. Okay. And do you have any commentaries, or do you think anything special about Barcelona you
For
like?
Barcelona.
No? Not yet. No, not yet.
Nothing yet.
Okay. Well, that's all.